Hey guys, and welcome back.
And thanks for joining us today.
So we are staying at a Boondockers Welcome in Biloxi, Mississippi, and we found a little trail that's also recommended by the host as well as all trails.
Right.
And this one is
Right there, Mississippi Sandhill Crane National Wildlife Refuge, and we are in the Fontainebleau Trail.
Right. It looks like this one has 3 different trails going through it. We picked the Fontainebleau. It seems like it's considered an easy trail. Some of it is handicap accessible, half of it, and the other half isn't. And we are going to overlook the Davis Bayou according to this little map. So let's go check it out. It's going to be 1.5 miles.
I think so. I think that's what All Trail says. I have to check it again.
All right, let's go see what we see. I will add that pets are welcomed as long as they're leashed. Bikes are not allowed. So yeah, wanted to throw that out there. And the parking space for this area is super tiny.
So here we go.
So there's these little yellow markers I've been seeing throughout. So that's probably what we're following. It's an interesting walk path.
It says super deck on it.
It's like rubber. It's so pretty, Mommy.
It is. These trees are phenomenal.
They are.
I can't like feet.
Stop looking up. I'm gonna make myself dizzy. Pine flatwoods cover much of the Mississippi, especially north of the coastal zone. Well-drained, sandy soils and frequent fire are the perfect habitat for pines. This flatwoods, instead of being vast rolling acres, is squeezed between the savanna, Gulf Coast prairie, and the bayou, offering a bit more diversity in this already diverse ecosystem.
close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow.
A ridge in Mississippi. A visitor from a mountain state might laugh at the idea of a ridge in South Mississippi, but elevation is a matter of perspective. Here in the low coastal plain, mere inches can shift an ecosystem from one habitat to another. Places where there are actual hills like this are rare and usually include a wide variety of habitats.
The first
Oh,
overlook.
this is the Davis Bayou overlook.
Yeah.
Turns to sun rays, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Here we go. Going downhill. What goes down must come up. Oh, now time to go up. Davis Bayou. It's a salt marsh. Bayou is a modified Native American word for river. Bayous are not exactly rivers, though. The current runs both ways, up and down with the tide. The water of a bayou is a mixture of fresh water and brackish water, varying with seasonal rain. Even though there is very little salt in the water, it still greatly affects the type of plants and animals that can live in the bayou. Life on the edge. This trail is full of edges or transition zones where the bayou meets the land and where all the open savanna meets the pine flatwoods. Edges are a key area for wildlife, a mix of different habitats where many animals find their food and other animals prey on those feeding there. Walking through here is kind of giving me the same vibes I had when we were at the Scrub Jay Sanctuary.
Oh, yeah. Well, that was much wider, but yeah, I get your point. These little patches of grass.
Feel like I'm walking on a rug. It's so fluffy. Gulf Coast Prairie, also called wet pine savanna. This habitat type dominated the Gulf Coast until the past 100 years. People drained the wetlands and built houses, farmed and planted trees on the reclaimed savanna. Along with suppressing the natural fires that kept the savannas open, these actions have changed almost the entire prairie into forest. This changed over 98% of the land from savanna into woodlands. The prairie savanna supports a wide diversity of plants, including grasses and sedges, orchids, and carnivorous plants. The Mississippi sandhill crane, Grau's canadensis pula, is one of the rarest bird populations on Earth. A little over 100 birds are scattered all over the refuge and neighboring lands. In the 1970s, when the crane was recognized as an endangered species, there were merely 30 birds left. The cranes do live and nest nearby this trail, so it is possible to hear and see them flying over or in the small savanna remnants left along the trail. But with so few birds overall, count yourself very lucky if you get a good look. Hopefully, the continued savanna restoration, they may become a common sight here again one day.
All you gotta do is go to a TT, and then you can't get rid of them.
Yeah. Definitely. I did put up a few shorts here on YouTube with close-ups of them. So if you haven't seen it and you do want to see a sandhill crane up close, I'll go ahead and link that up in the cards for you. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed taking this little trail with us. It's different. I mean, I was hoping to see some wildlife, hoping to see some birds, but the foliage and the trees are beautiful.
Yeah, if you need some steps, this is not a bad place to get it.
Yeah, it's very well paved, as you saw, and very comfortable to walk on. There was a little bit of elevation, but not so much that I felt strenuous.
All trail says that the elevation is 39 feet.
Okay.
So that's not really much at all.
Okay, true that.
Yeah.
Well, I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give us a thumbs up. Let me know below. Have you done any nature trails or hikes here in the Mississippi area? We'd love to hear about your favorite places.
If you're new here, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you get notified every time we upload a video. And as always, thanks for watching and we'll see you soon.
Bye, guys.